Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica the blues. First, let's get comfortable. Hold your harmonica gently between your thumb and forefinger, ensuring a good seal with your lips. Breathe from your diaphragm like you're sighing to produce a full, rich tone. We'll start with a standard C harmonica, which is perfect for learning fundamental blues techniques and scales. This foundation is crucial for developing your unique blues sound. Bending notes is essential for blues harmonica. It's how you get those soulful, wailing sounds. To bend, change the shape of your mouth and tongue while drawing or blowing. Imagine saying iuo or kayu to shift the pitch. Start slowly, aiming for a slight dip in the note, then gradually increase the bend's depth. Consistent practice will make your bends smooth and expressive. Now let's dive into the blues scale. The minor pentatonic scale is your best friend here, giving you that classic bluesy sound. Focus on holes 2, 3, and 4, both drawn and blown with bends on the drawn notes. Experiment with different rhythms, using short, sharp breaths and longer, sustained notes. Try simple call and response riffs to develop your timing and feel for the blues. To truly play the blues, you need to develop your own style. Listen to legends like Little Walter and Sonny Boy Williamson to understand the nuances. Don't just copy, absorb their feeling and adapt it. Try incorporating vibrato, tongue blocking, and hand wah effects. Regular practice, even just 15 minutes a day, will solidify your skills and help you express your unique blues journey. Keep playing and let your harmonica sing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.